Hamilton, who's sitting in 32nd position, comes in. We've got Hamilton.
Morning everyone, how are we all doing? So I am en route to, oh geez, go easy Bright. I am en route to Elnings, pack up the van and we're heading for Cork for the weekend. We're heading to Watergrass Hill for the Pro2 final round. So Connor, Adrienne and Mike will be flat out this weekend. Plenty of driving to be done, so let's see how we get on. But we're ready to really put in a big effort this weekend for the three amigos. So let's see how it goes on the uphill layout in Watergrass Hill this weekend. They ran it last year. Connor had his 328 Bluebell last year for it, so just at a pedestrian crossing, so I have to watch out for other normal people that aren't into drifting. Anyway, we're going to go get loaded and we'll catch you en route to Watergrass Hill. Oh, clear. Just out. Just out.
I know, safety first.
Safety first, harness on, hands device. Locked, loaded, ready to go, Skinny.
Yeah.
We'll go to the West Wing first though. I'm fairly peckish now at this stage.
What's it? Oh, it's only 1 o'clock, so it's a long day ahead.
It's chicken burger, I'd say.
Chicken burger?
Yeah. I'm very hungry, lad.
I get a breakfast still.
1 o'clock?
Oh, yeah, breakfast.
Well, Jesus, is the breakfast going on?
With a toast.
With a toast. Marmalade.
Tea, marmalade. Should we take a few of those sachets?
We'll rob a bit of fucking butter. Well, fuck it.
Fuck them.
Fuck it. Fucking. Here we are now, anyway. On the lads. So, you're entering the world of vlogging as well, is it? Or
No, I'm just trying to...
you're just a humble guy trying to make a living.
Trying to...
You're out here working the fields.
Make a coin.
Picking stones.
How do you work this fandangle thing at all?
What's fandangle thing?
Look at that.
We're live. We're now live at 5. There's a fair old queue starting there. I think, fuck, we're going this way, not that way. No.
Okay.
Right. Buckle in now, this could be wild.
New vlog.
Always reminds me of the Family Guy scene going into a tunnel. Can you think of the same scene? No. I'll cut it in here.
I'll be gentle. Ow, my pride.
Smoke it out. Well, that was really exciting.
That was riveting.
Can we do it again?
We do it in 2 days time. Come on.
Oh, I see you're at. I'm way behind the game.
You really need to get your shit together.
Fucking hell. This vlogging business is not easy.
Adventure Park in Cartwright.
Tricks of the trade.
Yeah, I'll just take that over there now. It's like recording a dash cam.
It's like the footage from a dash cam.
I always wondered what it'd be like just to topple one stack of them.
But it kind of links and lighter at the bottom.
No, that's just being bold. Jeez, it feels strange coming in and seeing the place empty.
Oh, Leon on the bikes.
Oh, nice one. I was thinking that was the curtain cider. Alan. So this is like what Watergrass Hill is like on a normal day. Down here, Watergrass Hill for the final round of the semi-pro championship. So We're just after pulling in McConnor's car. Leon is here, Alan's here. What's mad is Leon is going for the win in Pro2 Championship, and Alan is going for the win in the Pro2 Rookie Championship. We have a small bit to do with Connor's car. We just have to change an alternator because it was failing up in the Galway race course. So swap out the alternator, put up the ground mat, tent, and get it up. So yeah, catch you in a bit. Hello.
Hi boss.
How are you?
Good, yourself?
Not too bad now. Welcome to Cork.
Hey.
Again.
Top boy.
Leon.
Oh, right from the New York. Hello, Leon. Hello, Alan.
Alright.
How are we getting on?
Arrive and drive man now, is it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Is that the contract good?
Yeah. Arrive and drive and look good. How are you fixing? As well as can be.
Just have to get here,
Are you staying in the same spot? Or are you in a different spot to where normally are?
No, the usual spot.
Oh, nice one.
Ben has
Trying to get his micro back together, not one in the front of our.
Now we're all set up. Connor's just changing the alternator there with Leon, so we all set for the morning. Leon and Alan are all pitted up. Kieran's running out of paint, are you? Are you going to have an argument with your instrument?
no one else comes over to paint you actually.
And paint me?
Yeah.
Are you having success?
Probably should let it down.
We know now in about 30 seconds.
Oh, awesome.
Success or not. But it's on. That's
If it's on,
pretty important.
it's gone.
It's on, it's gone.
Be alright.
Oh, curva.
Some of them do.
Yes,
That's good. Very good. We fish bump, but we did not.
Look at the base set up.
Oh, this all set up with it.
Bin bags, everything.
Bin bags, tunes that I can't use. If they're alright, don't need it. I hear them.
We'll turn on the heated windscreen as well.
Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hi, Dr. Allen.
Spider.
Spider make one Now, all set up for practice. Fresh rubber on. Connor, Mike, Adrian, Alan and Leon. Not a bad old lineup. Go out now for first practice and see what happens. Hopefully the new alternator will make an awful difference to the power steering. It was going very heavy in the day out in Galway. So we'll see, we'll go out and test it out. We're still waiting for a few tyres to be mounted. So we've set Mike's tyres on for the time being because Connor gave him the set the last round. First run done. First set of practice runs done. Miking, they're all going pretty well. Connor needed a touch more grip for once. he's lighting tires up, and so can send him out. It's just starting to rain though, so run out for the next run of practice and we see what happens. Water on the lens again.
Your boy.
So that's the second group of practice finished for Mike and Connor. Power steering is still acting a little funky. She's just dropping power, dropping voltage when it hits the power hard. So alternator is definitely the issue. We have a solution and we're going to see if it works. But yeah, it's happening now with the rain. It's so patchy because tomorrow is meant to be the pisser of a day, but today's not too bad. It's not ideal, but it's better to get wet practice in for tomorrow, I suppose. But yeah, it's going pretty well. It's very hard to figure out just how much to put in tyres and how much to harden up or soften shocks when the conditions are changing every 10 minutes, like. So just feel it out and see what more we can do, and hopefully we can end the day with all the panels on the car. That's our wet rain again. So if your new alternator in, watch your back and walking, you get soaked.
At long last, I listened to the Lloyd's advice about it in. He only told me that since the first time he mapped it. Lloyd, I'm sorry. You were right.
He's not even here.
As usual.
He was not even here to give out.
He wouldn't answer the fucking phone. Now we know
what's
where
this then dipping? It's fucking dipping.
You're putting on green, Mikey.
Oh. Anyway, go out and have a bit of crack.
Oh, I will send them.
Send her on.
Get them cable ties ready.
He always has to go the wrong way around. What an arsehole.
Yeah,
he's going to get busy.
Yeah. He's right, it is. It's just floating around there.
We never really set up Connor's car before. He just tracked it in the tyre centre. I think he put it 0-0 on the back, so we don't really know anything about setting up cars. But the boys here from DeaneMSport, Dave, is going to try and put a bit of toe in the back of it because it's soaking rain here. So the track is very slippy. So yeah,
It's a happy medium. You see what you think of it?
I'll stand back and learn a bit.
No, I don't mind actually. No, I don't mind. We do like a small turn and just check to see where it is like.
Okay, work away. I don't know what do you need or. I'll be on the board. I will slap the next wall.
Hang on here, like, do you want to chock that wheel in case it rolls over and kills us?
That's on the jack though. Wouldn't be a terrible idea. He's a jack. The DeaneMSport lads are going doing a bit of witchcraft and wizardry. Watch this, watch this. Alright, I'm not a championship threat, so they're not going to fuck me up. If I was turning fourth in the championship now, I'd be skeptical about letting me near it.
How do you think this is going to go? Good. It's going to go good.
We want them yokes to go out in the middle of the track.
I will, most certainly. Oh, now, monsoon season has hit Watergrass Hill, unfortunately, and it's pissing rain. So, Dale and Barry from Lemon Style have the Dale asked me earlier in the day how much towing is kind of running, and I said I haven't a clue. I'd say probably none. He goes, yeah, I could do it a bit. So after Connor came in from their last practice session, Dale just landed with spanners. So he's just gone out there for his first one with that new I don't even know what to put in it, but they definitely towed it in a bit, just to give him a bit more grip. But gone out there to try it out. I've sent Shane out with one of the cameras to see what kind of footage he can get of the three drivers, Connor, Adrian and Mike, and we'll cut to that.
Awful wait. Don't make unnecessary journeys.
Don't make unnecessary journeys.
Next up we have Mike Moore. Here he is. Say hello, Barbara. Hello. Well, Mike Moore, how did that go for you?
Good.
Geez, you're flying it out there.
Thank God.
A few nice laps there now, you're
Not so bad.
really on the ball.
Not so bad.
Nice and toasty in here.
Yeah, it's kind of warm in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, like off the AC.
I was out there on the track, I got absolutely rounded.
I'm trying to be as upbeat as I can about the weather, just so it comes across better on the vlog, but I'm really soaked to the bones. Yay!
Bin bag over the bonnets.
Sweet. We'll head for the hotel, I'd say. It's come piss and rain scan.
Yes.
It's that time of the day.
Better get used to it.
But to get used to it and we get a bit of scrying into us and a good night's sleep.
Those bones will be a bit soggy
Those bones,
tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll be alright. They're covered.
Like more in the fetal position. Ready for final tomorrow.
The next day.
Game day walk. Game day walking. The cows are out again. For fuck's sake. Do you have any words of wisdom for the young people that want to get into drifting, Mike?
Yes. Don't do it.
No?
It's a financial mistake.
Connor?
I would heartily agree with Michael Morton on that decision, to be quite honest with you.
Alan?
What's going on?
I'm doing a big job.
Big job on.
Big job, man.
Try the windscreen.
This is how the 21st century.
Throw it on heavy duty. Oh. That's the difference between high boost and low boost.
I could put that on the back of the car.
No. Are you ready to go on a title?
Lovely and wet, so I'm ready for it. Ready for it. Get the O'Reilly's.
Where's Alan?
Alan, see ya.
That make any difference for you?
It's rain hit.
Bit of rain, wet rain. Who did you hit yesterday?
I fucking hit a tyre.
Oh.
And that's the bit fucking Alan only stuck into it there during the week. And it just popped off. One
Just popped off.
Still have it. Still
Popped
have it.
off under impact.
That
I
carried
suppose
on.
it wasn't
Suck
as
it
bad
off.
as Kerry, in fairness.
No, that's the small work here, you know.
Anyway, that's the 3 motors all warming up for the morning. Well, 5 motors technically. Yeah, that's the 5 motors all warming up. Off a wet day here. Like I said, there's a storm warning, so it could get really nasty yet. So I have all the wet gear on. The boys are ready to hop in and do a bit of skidding. Shouldn't be too hard now. See what happens. And it's possible to say.
Gotta get the cake. Okay, this ain't what you used to. Always with the new. This ain't what you used to. I do me, do you? I do me, do you? This ain't what you used to. 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 This ain't what you. No, this ain't what you used to. Switch up from the bikes to a new coupe. You know I keep some new shoes. Keep it simple, not like you.
Did you get fresh Wellingtons for today?
I gave them a wee spit shine last night,
Yeah,
lad.
I see that. Fuck them in the washing machine.
They'll not be clean for long. That's for sure.
We're just going to piggyback on your success.
We'll be piggybacking on your success at Jab
What the hell we got?
At Jab We'll pay the favour.
Mad fucking yo caught to get the job. So now that's the first practice session over and done with. The conditions are so tricky. Like, there is no dry line out there, so you're just firing it in, hoping for the best. But yeah, Connor and Mike are doing fairly well. Just so hard to get used to the track, so take every run as it comes. Adrian has gone out, and Leon has gone out. Alan Kennedy is going very well. He is really on rails today, so hopefully he can do well. I haven't seen any Leon's runs, but I've seen Adrian's first run. Like, first run out of the box. That was her taking it easy. I wouldn't like to see her pushing. So yeah, just get a bit to eat, analyse a few runs, see where we can improve, and take from there. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. You going well?
Happy.
Happy out?
Happy.
Yeah.
Once it stays wet now, I don't want it to dry up now.
Yeah.
Then I'd have to do too much work.
I can't imagine it's going to dry anytime soon. Like, you know.
It's Watergrass Hill anyway, so
Yeah.
it's every day. Watergrass Hill for the rain. Woo!
You were out in the second group qualifying.
group.
Ah, not
Second
too
group.
bad. We're about to get out of this, lads. Way. Here, tell him to stop. Leon's coming.
How are you now?
Oh yeah.
Very good, very good.
Moving along to a wild man behind the wheel. Connor Ranch brought the man from Galway, the all-up station 186. to this chassis this year. And these conditions.
Qualifying over. My god, it's wet here. I am soaked to the bones. But Adrian has put an 88-point run on the board. Mike has put an 81-point run on the board, and Connor has put a 47, I think, on the board. He had a pretty big correction, in fairness, in the final straight, coming up to the last hairpin, or coming up to clip 9. So yeah, it's in him. I'd say he is going to go out and absolutely hockey the car, treat it like it is the last run, so send it. They're just gone out now again. It's equally as wet, if not wetter, than what it was, so we'll see what happens. Well, how'd you get on?
I think it was 89.
Is that all? Why are you coming out in the fucking rain? Too fucking late, I'm soaked to the bones. How are you getting on?
Good run. Yeah, I think it was 89. I don't actually fucking know. That's what Dale texted back to me, so.
Okay.
And I had 88.3s.
Oh, that's good.
Happy yet?
Yeah, that'll do me.
Hi, and welcome to Watergrass Hill.
7, 8, 9, so
I'm really sorry about the footage, but the weather's just so shit.
yeah, that's right. Definitely going to top right. We move it along to another man outside the qualification zone. It is only on a 47.7 for another man. Comes on with getting back online here on the edge of the concrete, which wobbles in a tiny bit there as well. It's just trying to drive off a little bit on that line there in the 5. And yeah, it's not a bad second half of the lap here. Oh, just as I said, he catches the bumper and across the line. That's not going to be it. Improve here, so let's see what he can do in the big red Trophy's Aura. Let's see what more he can do in the second certainly have to stop the car almost and get it tucked in there for 250 usually is really hard on that all and it's a nice second half of the lap here tonight, but let's see what he has to do here. Because he's going to have to let the focus come back by the move design there. Lovely bump lap here from Adrian, which is still working in that so let's see the top. Yeah, the top for the front is a medium concept and we have the rear up there forward. The team position with a medium, if you look at it, the ball is sticky one, that's a super thing.
Not bad at all, hey? Pretty good, huh?
How much of an improvement is it though? It's a big improvement for Adrian Wheatley. It's a 92 for Adrian Wheatley.
mentioned there that she missed a little bit, but the rest of it was absolutely spot on the judges, which puts her.
Girl, lady's clothes.
That is something going. Fucking hell.
We'll head home now.
Jesus Christ, I am soaked. Anyway, that's a wrap for qualifying for round 5 here in Watergrass Hill, or Wettergrass Hill. So, fortunately Connorine didn't make it, and unfortunately Mike didn't make it. But Adrienne is currently top of qualifying with a 92-point run. Now, there's still the championship contenders to go: Leon, John Hickey, and Jason. So we'll see what happens, but my god, what a run. It was epic, so we're really happy for that. So I'm gonna get changed for now and we'll see what happens. So
Rookie competition is Adrian Wheatley, who qualified in third, versus Keane Lee, who qualified in 30th. So a bit of a deficit here once again in qualifying scores. But let's see if the RB versus BMW power here comes through again. We've got a 330 versus RB 25. Leahy goes a little bit early on. Adrian almost put off the nose of that BMW. Leahy's in trouble here and has to back out of it. So a bit of an experience there maybe showing with Keane unfortunately. Adrian's bumper almost, and Adrian is doing everything right here in the lead position, Rob, not wavering under the pressure and just getting it across the line.
Yeah, exactly, Mike. Hit it on the head there. Adrian doing what she needs to do in that lead position. That's why she qualified in third.
On the radio now, Jared. Tell her what she has to do.
Possibly showing a bit of experience in that chase position.
Followed by Adrian, who's gone away before him almost here. No, she probably doesn't have to with the horsepower, but then again, these beamers seem to be putting it down here up the hill, and Leahy has put down the power. He's opened up a big gap here, and I think he's got a big disadvantage, but he's after opening up quite the gap here. He's trying to turn it around here with sheer pace. Now Adrian, even though he had huge mistakes in the first one, he's got a big gap opened up here, and it's not over yet. So to speak, so I'm not sure if he had a bit of a waiver there, but wow, he's after only a big gap here.
Well, for Keane Leahy and Adrian Wheatley. But Mike, who is going through to the top 16?
Going through to the top 16, it is number 32, Adrian.
Hey!
16.
Irish athlete, huh?
Well done! Boom! Jeez, it's getting very hectic here. Huh?
Massively altogether.
Awfully very hectic.
There are 2 opponents in one thing.
We bring it to the real action.
Oh, dickhead.
I believe this to be yours, isn't it?
Thanks.
You're right.
Where can we find you?
Debbie Drift here.
Oh, wow.
I got tens of thousands of followers.
Because I do all the reposts.
Yeah, probably.
Thank you. Always a hive of activity.
What are you proud?
Jimmy is a new line of clothing.
Feel the time is slipping. Come in time, go home in time, and take your time all day.
You bring had a do for me. You bring us there too, Skinny.
first corner already. It is Wheatley to lead in a burn here for this.
Jesse, that's in here. That's a lovely line there. Yeah, Adrian Wheatley's really going to have to bring up the proximity now. She wants to make it onto the top. I think it might be her best shot today. The long section there, unfortunately. So it might not be the best.
Nancy, are you ready for the road?
Most definitely, sure.
Great old crack. Happy days?
Happy days.
Good result.
Yeah, I think with third place qualifying, I think we might have finished top 5.
That's unreal.
So absolutely over the moon.
That's savage.
You know what? Went through everything at us the last 2 days.
Yeah.
So I was happy to qualify, then qualify third. Kind of bonus time after that. And what a weekend.
Oh, once you went out your first run this morning, you were on it.
You know what? It says a lot though when you have people behind you, and that's half the battle.
Oh, well, sure.
Anyway, coming in, waiting for Sean to point the camera in my feet. Actually, I can't with it.
Oh, yeah. Well done anyway.
Thanks, million pal. We go again.
We'll go at it again, Jeff Fest.
Alan's Day.
She's moving today, mate. Yeah.
Put her there. Well done. We'll see you next year, so on pro. That's it. Another weekend done.
Another long, hard weekend done. Drowned it.
Soaked to the skin. Now you're going to face into a bit of editing. You're going to face us for
a bit of food and get us home safe.
Yeah. Safe and sound. Where we see them?
In the shed.
In the shed. Goodbye everyone.
We're going to